So after a long busy quarter in grad school, I decided to take a break and headed over to Hawaii with my girlfriend. This is Isabel, my travel buddy and my partner in crime. She can be silly at times, and oh yeah, she's doing really well learning on how not to give a. Together, we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into, but we knew this trip was going to be a blast, and I had to document all of it. So this is my Hawaii vlog. We are on our way to Hawaii right now. And first stop, we had to do the lounge just so we can fuel up. We're gonna take a nice long 6-hour nap and then off to Honolulu. All right. After a hike, we just made it to the beach, and I think we found a pretty good spot for our first day just because there's nobody out here, especially being in Oahu. It's known for a big tourist spot, but check this place out. As we were winding down our first day in Oahu, we aimed to catch a sunset, but instead we were surprised by running into something much more beautiful, a wedding on Tana's Lookout. We got our full night's rest back in Honolulu. The next day, we headed out towards north of Oahu, closer to Kaneohe Bay.
I told you once, baby, I told you once what I know. You got to let it go. I told you once, baby, I told you once what I know. You got to let it go.
Our last day in Oahu, we were blessed with the beautiful sunny weather. We knew it would be a while again that we could enjoy this island scene, so we had to make the most of it.
There is no place I can hide, 'cause wherever I go, it's you I find. I got a can of bright blue bees, supposed to get rid of them heavy fears, yeah. Me and my sheets, get your hands on me on repeat. All I wanna do is go to sleep, with my taped up heart and my open bottle. Me and my sheets, you should know that we're down with your shit. All
that is a wrap. We are calling off back to Dallas, and we're very sad because we miss this place. We want to move out here. Oh, the island life. Alright, till next time. Peace.
I've been moving cold, don't show no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, ayy. I finesse down Western Road, ayy. Might go down to G.O.D., oh, wait. I go hard on Southside G, ayy. I make sure that no side E, ayy. And still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing on me.